everybody. Welcome again. I'm back. It's Tuesday here. It's actually getting nice and warm in Texas. Nice weather. I'm getting excited because I'm hoping that spring is right around the corner. I'm not a cold weather person. Anyway, today I am excited because I got something in the mail. And I love getting stuff in the mail. So I'm just going to open this up and unbox this. This is some extra Limelight by Alcone products that I ordered that I really wanted to try. So I'm going to kind of be going through those. And I'm also going to compare, well, one of the things I got was a new Perfect Coverage Foundation, the next color, which I'm actually wearing today. I did already open this. And I got one shade darker than I normally wear for summer because I do tan in the summer. So I did want to go with something that was a little bit darker in color. So I'm going to show you that and compare the two colors with the foundation I have been using. So let's dig into this. Okay, so the first thing obviously is the Perfect Coverage Botanical Foundation. This is what it looks like. Remember, this is a wax-based foundation. It is not a liquid. It does not oxidize. It does not sink into your pores. It is not absorbed by your body. It is also not tested on animals, and it is vegan. Yeah, the wax base is a vegetable wax, so this is a vegan product. Soon to be paraben-free. Soon to be paraben-free. Limelight is working with the producer of this foundation to make it paraben-free. So this color that I'm wearing today is Olive 1. This is actually the color that when I did the color testing, this was the one that matched my skin tone. What I have been using is Gina Beige. As you can see, it's just one shade lighter. I still think I'm going to like the Olive 1 better. I'm going to probably end up sticking to this long term because I do like how it goes with my skin tone better. So another thing I ordered that I'm very excited to try out is the 10 Years Younger Makeup Finish Spray. This is an ultra fine mist that makes your makeup last up to 16 hours. So there is that. Let's see if I can keep that. And I'm going to open this up because this is in a, no pun intended, but I'm really pumped to try this out. So this has got a pump on it. So yes, I guess maybe the pun was intended just because I'm having fun. I love getting stuff in the mail. Okay, the next thing I did order that I really wanted to try out was the Classified Brush Collection brush number 3. And this is an angled blush brush. I have heard rave reviews about this brush for your contouring and highlighting on your cheeks and stuff. So I'm just going to open that up. Very sleek packaging. And the new brush collection, the Classified Brush Collection, all of the brushes, the handles are weighted brushes. See, that's an angled blush brush. It's really nice for contouring with your blush and your bronzer. So I'm going to be loving that. I can tell the handle is weighted. It's a lightweight, but it's definitely helps to balance the brush in your hand for better coverage. So I will be doing a review on using that, and I'm excited to be getting that. Okay, the last thing. This is something I'm super excited about. I'm actually wearing it today also. Like I said, I didn't wait to open this, but this is the Bare Metals eyeshadow palette. And this is actually the gift option because this was on sale from the holidays. So I did buy this because it was a really good deal. So it's got the bow. This is a real bow. And it's got the to and from little tab. It's also in a real metal tin, which is really classy. So I'm going to open this up and show you what this looks like. So let's see. It looks like it slides off. Ooh. Okay, so inside here, we have the Bare Metals palette, which is an eyeshadow palette. All of the palettes are very highly pigmented, so use sparingly because these are highly pigmented products. All of the products are because they're professional quality. Another thing that's in this set is another brush. This is brush number 7. It's an eyeliner brush, and that's a nice big eyeliner brush. So I'm going to be using that, trying that out. The next thing that's in here, remember this is a gift set. You can just buy the Bare Metals palette by itself. But this other thing that's in here is the Perfect Liquid Eyeliner Pen. Smudge-proof liquid eyeliner. And I did get one of these in my starter kit, but the reason I got this is because it had another one of these, and I have used this, and it is awesome. I was like, okay, I'm getting this gift set because it has another one of these. I need like 10 of these in my makeup kit because they do not smudge. I have the hardest time getting my wings right and lining my eyes without making a huge mess. But this thing, it's a liquid eyeliner, but it's like, it's got kind of the texture of a crayon. So it goes on and it doesn't get all over. I make such a mess with eyeliner. So I love this eyeliner. And that's why I got the gift set with the eyeliner and this with it, because it was a really good deal. And it was on sale. So why not? Anyway, that's what I got today. I'm going to be doing maybe some looks with this. I am wearing this right now. Some of the colors in here on my eyes. And they're a lot of fun. They are a shiny metallic, all of them. So that's what I got today. Another thing that's in this box, this is really cool. The company sends out these little cards with healthy recipes on them with each shipment. So this is a mint chocolate smoothie. Might be giving that a try. I'll have to convert it to low carb ingredients. But that sounds really fun. Anyway, that's my unboxing for today. Thanks for joining me. If you like this video and you're watching it on YouTube, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if I'm cool enough for you. And if you're watching this on Facebook, then I will leave a link above my video. If you're watching it on YouTube, the link will be down below this video for any of the products that you would like to check out or to join my party. Thank you. Love you guys. Mwah. Have a great day, and we'll talk soon.